So I'm thinking how it's strange that in a lot of ways we don't actually know very much. We believe certain things, but how much we actually know is open to question. So I'm thinking about atomic theory. Now we can't see things that are extremely tiny like atoms or whatever, but we can model their behavior and we have ideas about how atoms work. But when we exploded the first nuclear weapon, for example, we had theory about what would happen and how it would go down. But we didn't know for sure that that was what would happen. So when we detonated the first nuclear weapon, it seems to me we could have been blown up the whole world for all we knew. But we just had an idea of how things would work, and we did it, and it worked out fine. But I'm thinking that from the first test all the way up to now, all that we know about nuclear weapons is what we believe to be the case. So we don't actually know very much about how nuclear technology works. We just have beliefs and ideas and we formulated a science around it. But it could all be wrong and we might find out the hard way that it's wrong. So I think it's interesting to realize that because we're dealing with the tiny microscopic, well, beyond microscopic entities like atoms and whatever, we have to rely on models and beliefs rather than actual knowledge. It's strange that our knowledge is actually quite fragile and we're relying on hope and belief far more.